Learn I need in Estonian, English Estonian.
mul on vaja.
Welcome. Hey you, ready to speak Estonian with a smile? Let's jump in and make it easy, and a little goofy. This podcast is brought to you by Ch.17 Lingo, your friendly boost for fast language wins. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, printables, and bonus drills. Today you'll nail I need in Estonian.
mul on vaja.
Buckle up, your requests are about to get super clear. Your goal today. Say it clearly, use it everywhere, and feel confident asking for what you need. Mission. Master, I need, equals.
mul on vaja.
Literal tip. Mul, to me, plus on, as, plus vaja, need. MOV equals mul on vaja. Negative. I don't need, equals.
mul ei ole vaja.
Alternative form.
ma vajan.
Also means, I need. I need water.
mul on vaja vett.
I need help.
mul on vaja abi.
I need a ticket.
mul on vaja piletit.
I need a map.
mul on vaja kaarti.
I need time.
mul on vaja aega.
I need money.
mul on vaja raha.
I need coffee.
mul on vaja kohvi.
Mini dialogue at the market. Role play time, impress the vendor and your future self. You, hi, I need apples.
tere! mul on vaja õunu.
Vendor, sure, anything else? You, I want coffee, but I need water.
tahan.
Kovi, aga.
mul on vaja vett.
Narrator, brave move, you even decide to ask a question.
ma lähen küsima.
The price. You, I would like bread.
ma tahaksin leiba.
Vendor, no rush, if you must go, say.
pean minema.
But first, here's your bag of goodies. Quick drills. Say it out loud after me, I'll leave a beat. Go for clear, confident rhythm. I need help, say.
mul on vaja abi.
I need a ticket, say.
mul on vaja piletit.
I want coffee, that's a want, not a need, say.
tahan kohvi.
I must find a map, say.
pean leidma kaardi.
I don't need bread, say.
mul ei ole vaja leiba.
To ask politely, breathe, smile, and
küsima.
clearly. Example, excuse me, I need directions, tea.
vabandust, mul on vaja teed.
Culture tip. A tiny tip to sound natural, and avoid a funny mix-up. At Tallinn's markets, a friendly tone goes far. Start with a greeting in your request.
tere! mul on vaja kartulit.
Fun quirk.
tee.
Means, road, and.
tee.
Also means, tea, so.
mul on vaja teed.
Can mean directions or a drink. Let context, and your hand gestures, do the heavy lifting. Lightning quiz. Quick check, trust your gut, then confirm. Q1. How do you say, I need, water, in Estonian? A.
mul on vaja vett.
Q2. Which expresses necessity.
tahan. pean.
Or.
mul on vaja.
A. Both.
pean.
Must, and.
mul on vaja.
I need, express necessity. Q3. Give the negative of, I need, time. A.
mul ei ole vaja aega.
Q4. What's an alternative form of, I need, in Estonian? A.
ma vajan.
Challenge and goodbye. You've got this. Lock it in with one last burst. Challenge. Say 3 lines. 1.
mul on vaja abi.
2.
mul on vaja piletit.
3.
mul ei ole vaja kohvi.
Bonus sci-fi. On a spaceship you radio, I need oxygen. Say.
mul on vaja hapnikku.
Thanks for listening. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing daily, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, downloads, and fun challenges. See you next time.